But we know that today, according to natural factors, we should be getting cooler, not warmer.
We have a fossil fuel industry that has lied and lied and lied.
That climate change is here right now. We're seeing.
You have to understand that this is an unusual time to have really big wildfires.
Cleanest air, the cleanest water, and the president is certainly doing that.
From wildfires across California, flooding in the Carolinas, and the incredible loss of agriculture in my home state of Georgia.
If another country came in and bombed our mountains and poisoned our water, we would go to war.
It's a reality that we are facing, and we need to take proactive measures.
Coral reef, a beautiful phenomenon that attracts tourists every year. Its bright colors and shape prove that nature is truly amazing. The coral reef is one of Mother Nature's finest work. However, because of the pollution created by us humans, we are slowly killing the reef. The vibrant colors of the reef are slowly getting drained away.
This tragic process is called coral bleaching. Coral bleaching occurs when the water the corals are in starts to become too warm. When the water becomes hot, coral releases and kills the algae living within their tissues. This gives corals their white look, hence the name coral bleaching.
Coral bleaching is not the only example of global warming. Even the landscape and geography of Earth will change. For instance, NASA's website states that the Arctic Ocean is expected to become essentially ice-free in the summer before mid-century. Icebergs are currently melting because of the rising temperatures.
Global warming is a serious, very serious problem that the entire world is facing. It is universal, and it's something that every single form of government and individual needs to take precautions.
Recently reported the global temperature has gone up by 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit since 1880. This shows how much Earth is changing. The recent incline of temperature proves global warming is causing multiple tragedies. Moreover, industries and factories are causing many chemicals, which are going into the atmosphere. The heat and chemicals on Earth are starting to cause the sea level rising.
An example of this is economy size. It is said that economy has a chance of shrinking by 10% before the end of the century. The economy has a good chance of collapsing, creating a very hard lifestyle across the globe. Many things you may not even notice them are contributing to global warming. In return, global warming is contributing to multiple scenarios. If we don't take action on eliminating climate change right now with the money we have in our economy, then in the future it will be much more costly for our survival.
Greenhouse gases, for instance, are one of the main reasons global warming is constantly becoming worse. They are gases that contribute to the cause of global warming. The gases cause the ozone layer to change dramatically. The ozone layer is a thin layer around Earth. It protects Earth from the ultraviolet rays. Even though global warming is supposed to be warming our Earth, it can cool it down too. Bizarre cold snaps in autumn are proof that our climate is changing. Many may not believe it, but peculiar weather at random times are happening all over the planet.
It's evident in our everyday weather pattern, similar to today. Drastic weather swings from hot to cold, cold to hot. We're getting tremendous snowstorms, blizzards, California wildfires, and it's something that we have to address quickly, as the report that just came out over the weekend said that if we don't, it's going to definitely affect our economy. So not only economy, it's going to affect our life here on Earth.
The chemicals and gases from factories are causing a hole in the ozone layer. This will allow ultraviolet rays to go onto Earth. This shows that we have to do something about global warming, or the ozone layer will become penetrable by harmful rays. UV rays can cause eye problems for humans and prevent your immune system from working.
As found from several scientists, another main cause of global warming is the excess waste of electricity in America. Citizens are wasting too much electricity by leaving the light on, even though they're not in that room. All of this, from electricity to even agriculture, they all contribute to greenhouse gases. Even though global warming can be stopped easily, there are ways to slow it down. For instance, you can take public transportations, switch off lights when you're not using that room.
Rivers are running dry, wetlands are disappearing, fisheries are collapsing, rangelands are deteriorating, temperatures are rising.
What you can do as an individual is to recycle, and to not throw things that are recyclable in your regular garbage, to use less plastic bags, and using less or more environmental friendly things like straws, plastic straws, to not be putting them in our landfills, and make sure that we keep our environment as clean as possible.
If we try, we can stop global warming from creating any more chaos.